In this video, I will show you step by step how to add contacts on HubSpot in a simple and organized way, even if it is your first time using the platform. First, log into your HubSpot account and access the main dashboard. Once you are inside, look for the Contacts option in the top menu and click on it to view your contact list. Next, click the Create Contact button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. After that, you will see a form where you can enter the contact's information, such as name, email, phone number, company, and other important details. Fill in the information correctly to keep your contact list organized. Then click the Create or Save button to add the contact to the system. The new contact will be automatically saved in the HubSpot CRM, allowing you to track interactions, emails, and other activities related to that person. Another way to add contacts is by importing a contact list using a file, such as a CSV spreadsheet. To do this, click the Import option in the Contacts area and follow the instructions to upload your file. This method is useful when you need to add many contacts at the same time. After adding your contacts, you will be able to use them to send emails, create lists, and organize your marketing and sales strategies. And that's it. Now you know how to add contacts on HubSpot easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.